Hey guys, Scott DeSalvo, injury lawyer here at Cock-a-doodle-doo Rooster O'Clock, on my way into work to get some work done. And I had a client call me. He's a local, so he had a question about whether Illinois workers' comp applies, and Illinois comp laws apply, if his company hired him and his company is in Illinois, but the crash happened out of state. Can he still do a comp claim under Illinois law, or is it under different law? Because I just had a local driver who delivers to Indiana get into a crash in Indiana, and I've had an over-the-road trucker too who worked for an Illinois company but got into a crash in Georgia. I mean, I guess either way, it doesn't really matter whether you're over-the-road or a local driver for purposes of this, but the rule in Illinois is that if you're hired in Illinois, or even a substantial part of the hiring process occurs in Illinois, then Illinois has a public interest in making sure that you're taken care of if you get hurt, right? Because remember, the purpose of the workers' comp laws is to compensate the injured worker. It's, right in the law. It's there to protect workers. Now, the way it's administered and some of the procedures and rules are a little bit arcane, and it sometimes takes a really long time to get in front of a judge, even if you sort of have an emergency. Those parts belie the fact that right in the act it says that the purpose of workers' comp is to protect and compensate injured workers. So Illinois law basically says if there's a big part of the job, if it's an Illinois company, they hired you in Illinois, and you get hurt in the course of that employment, whether it's here or somewhere else, then you're entitled to compensation under Illinois Workers' Comp Act, right? So it's a law. They can write it however they want, and that's pretty much how courts have interpreted. So even if you got hurt outside of Illinois, if you got hired in Illinois, or a big part of the interview process was in Illinois, and it's headquartered in Illinois, these are the sorts of things that the court looks at to determine whether it's going to be a comp case. So it probably would be. I know that sounds like a hedge. Sounds like a lawyer hedge. Like I'm saying yes, but, right? But so much of this stuff is yes, but. Unfortunately, just the way it is. So good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. I hope this information helps you, and have a great day. Take care.